To answer question A, first of all, I'm going to work out how many sticks are in each of these patterns here. So in pattern 1, I can see there are 3 sticks. In pattern 2, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sticks. In pattern 3, there are 7 sticks. And in pattern 4, there are 9 sticks. I can see that it's going up by 2 every time, so if I add another 2 on, I get 11, and that's how many sticks are in pattern 5. Now I want the nth term, so I'm going to start by writing down n. From 3 to 5, I add on 2. From 5 to 7, I add on 2. And from 7 to 9, I add on 2. So it must be 2n. Now if I go back one pattern and take away 2 from this pattern here, I get 1. So on the end here, I must have plus 1. I now want to know how many sticks there will be in pattern 20. So I'm going to substitute 20 into this nth term. So n is now 20. So I've got 2 times 20 plus 1. That makes 40 plus 1, 41. So there will be 41 sticks in pattern 20. Now I want to describe in words how the fence grows every time I make it 1 metre longer. I can see that I always add on 3 horizontal posts and 1 vertical post. So altogether I always add on 4 more posts. I want to know how many posts Jane will need for 6 metres of fence. Well, for 1 metre, I can see she needs 5 posts. For 2 metres, it's 9. And for 3 metres, it's 13. This is going up by 4 every time. So for 4 metres, she will need 17 posts. For 5 metres, she will need 21 posts. And for 6 metres, she will need 25 posts. So my answer is 25 posts for 6 metres of fence. Now I want an expression in n for the number of posts. So I'm going to start by writing down n. Now from 5 to 9, I added on 4. And from 9 to 13, I added on 4. So it must be 4n. Now if I go back 1 and take away 4 from 5, I get 1. So it must be plus 1. To work out how many posts she needs for a 22 metre long fence, I'm going to substitute 22 into this nth term. So n is now 22. So I've got 4 times 22 plus 1. That's 88 plus 1, so that's 89. So she will need 89 posts altogether.